Hello. For most of us, Monday had something of an autumnal feel, dull and wet, but for summer sunshine lovers, fear not. It will be returning. May not last all that long, but it is going to turn sunnier and much drier this week, and in a few places turning hot by Friday. More on that in a moment. First of all, let's get back to the here and now because low pressure continues to dominate. This low brought all the wet weather on Monday, slowly pulling away out into the North Sea, but some lingering across the far northeast in particular. This wraparound weather front just continuing to feed rain in across the northeast of mainland Scotland and across the Northern Isles through the night and indeed for much of Tuesday. Behind that, there'll be a lot of showers coming into Northern Ireland, northwest England, western Scotland, but across much of the south and east, it does turn quite a bit drier overnight. Temperatures generally 11 to 14 Celsius. Into Tuesday, we start with quite a bit of sunshine over the Midlands and eastern England, a much brighter day here compared to Monday. That rain, though, is persisting close to the far northeast. Some uncertainty about exactly where it sits, but some heavy bursts in that rain, if it does last all day, it could cause a few issues. Very, very gusty here as well for the time of year. Blustery too across western Scotland, where there'll be showers, and those showers feeding into Northern Ireland, northwest England at times. But from mid-Wales southwards, most of the day will be dry and bright. It won't be gloriously sunny all the time. There'll be a fair bit of cloud around and there'll be a brisk breeze, keeping things on the cool side. But I suspect it'll feel a bit warmer than Monday for many across the south. Through Tuesday evening, that wet weather could still be around across the northeast. There is some uncertainty about where this band sits through the day. Parts of Aberdeenshire, Caithness, Sutherland and the Northern Isles. If it does stick around all day with that strong wind, it'll feel pretty bleak and just something we need to keep an eye on. That rain could build up and cause a few problems. So that's something we're keeping an eye on. There'll be more showers during Tuesday evening across the far northwest, but elsewhere it generally becomes dry and fine with largely clear skies. And that should lead into a fine day for most on Wednesday as well. That rain still perhaps around across the far northeast. So again, we just need to keep our eye on that because the rain total's really building up. But it does look like fizzling out through Wednesday. There'll still be some showers across northern Scotland, but most places looking dry and bright on Wednesday. A bit more sunshine around. The winds will be lighter as well and temperatures just a little bit higher. So feeling a bit warmer, high teens, low 20s, maybe mid 20s across the southeast. Still pretty gusty though across the far northeast. The clouds will spill into the southwest, turning a little bit hazy, the sunshine here later on Wednesday. One low pressure clears away, another one tries to push in, but it never really makes it. It's this area of high pressure that moves in, ousts that low, and this will bring drier, brighter, and so also potentially much warmer weather come the end of the week. Let's run through that sequence again, but showing the temperatures and the wind direction. As the low controls things early on, we've got north-northwesterly winds, but here comes the high. As that drifts to the east, well, it allows southerly winds to waft up much, much warmer air. Probably won't last all that long, but many of us could see some heat on Friday, potential for 30 degrees. Still a while off, so make sure you stay tuned to the very latest and make sure you're staying across the Met Office on social media.